Hello, how to solve this problem? We have a power 2 divided by 3 power 2, and this equals 3 power 2 divided by a power 2. We are solving for all values of a that satisfies this equation. So we can cross multiply. So we have a power 2 times a power 2, and this equals, we have 3 power 2 times 3 power 2. Now remember, if you have x times x, this is the same thing as having x power 2. So a power 2 times a power 2 will give you a power 2 raised to the power of 2. And this equals this will give us 3 power 2 raised to the power of 2. So the next thing we are going to do will be to simply move this over here. So we have a power 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 3 power 2 raised to the power of 2. This equals 0. Now, at this particular point, we have power 2 here. We have power 2 here, it is minus. We can apply difference of two squares. We have a squared minus b squared is equals a minus b times a plus b. And this is our a, is our b. So let's apply this identity. You have a squared plus 3 squared times a squared minus 3 squared, and this equals 0. So at this point, we equate each of these to 0 and have a squared plus 3 squared equals 0. Also have a squared minus 3 squared equals 0. So what we need to do is to solve these individual equations. So let's start with this one here. I have a squared minus 3 squared equals 0. I move this over here. I have a squared equals 3 squared. I solve for a by taking the square root. Take the square root. Let's cancel this. I have a equals, this is plus or minus. Let's cancel this. We have 3. So I have two real values for a. I have a1 equals 3. I have a2 equals negative 3. Now we consider this other one here. So let's consider that one. I have a squared plus 3 squared equals 0. I move this over here. I have a squared equals negative 3 over 2. So what I'm going to do is to take the square root. This cancel this. I have a equals this minus here. So I need to have square root of negative 1 times square root of 3 power 2. And this is plus or minus. So from here, I have a equals square root of negative 1 here will give you I. If you have plus or minus I times this cancel this, you have 3. So you have a equals plus or minus I times 3. Now you also have two other complex solutions for a. It might be our a3 equals I times 3, and you have a4 equals negative I times 3. Alright, we have gotten 4 different solutions. So what we are going to do next will be to test for each of the solutions. We check each of the solutions. We have a1 equals 3, a2 equals negative 3, a3 equals I times 3, a4 equals negative I times 3. Alright, let's copy the question. We start with a1. So you have a power 2 divided by 3 power 2 equals 3 power 2 divided by a power 2. You have a1. That means our a equals 3. So you have 3 power 2 divided by, wherever you have a, you insert 3. 3 power 2. This equals 3 power 2 divided by 3 power 2. So 3 power 2, that is 3 times 3. We have 9 divided by 9. equals 9 divided by 9. This cancel this cancel this. That has satisfied the equation. Let's consider A2 when A equals negative 3. We have A equals negative 3. A power 2 divided by 3 power 2 equals 3 power 2 divided by A power 2. We consider negative 3. Then we have negative 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 power 2. The same thing as 3 power 2 divided by negative 3 to the power of 2. From here, we have negative 3 to the power of 2, that is positive 9, divided by this is 9. And this equals 9 again, divided by this will still give you 9, because you have negative 2 even number, so you have into half 9. All right, so that one being done there, so you have 9 divided 9, you have 1, because 9 divided 9, you have 1. So this also has satisfied the equation. All right, let's consider complex solutions. Let's have this. A equals I times 3. So we have A equals, that is, A equals I times 3. We consider the equation again. A power 2 divided by 3 power 2 equals 3 power 2 divided by A power 2. And our A is I times 3. So we have I times 3 raised to the power of 2 divided by 3 power 2 equals 3 power 2 divided by I times 3 raised to the power of 2. So right now, I can distribute this to each of the terms here. So I have I power 2 times 3 power 2 divided by 3 power 2 equals 3 power 2 divided by I power 2 times 3 power 2. I also distribute this to each of the terms right there. So what are we going to do right now? What is the value of I power 2? Remember, square root of negative 1 equals I. If you take the squares, this cancel this, so you have negative 1 equals I power 2. So that means we are going to have negative 1 here. We have negative 1 times 3 power 2, and 3 power 2 is 9. We have negative 1 times 9 divided by 9 equals 9 divided by negative 1 times 9. Negative 1 times 9 is just negative 9 divided by 9 equals 9 divided by negative 9. Negative 9 cancels negative 9, this is negative 1 equals 9 cancels 9, we have 1 over negative 1. And 1 over negative 1 is the same thing as negative 1. We have negative 1 equals negative 1. That also has satisfied the equation. So we can take this. So ladies and gentlemen, let's consider the final one, which is A4. We have a subscript 4. This is negative I times 3. So what we are going to do is to copy the equation again, which is we have A power 2 divided by 3 power 2 equals 3 power 2 divided by A power 2. We substitute this for A. We have negative I times 3 raised to the power of 2 divided by the 3 power 2 here, that is 9, equals 9 divided by negative I times 3 raised to the power of 2. Like what we did earlier on, we distribute this to each of the terms there. So what we are going to have will simply be negative 1 to the power of 2 times 3 power 2 divided by 9 equals 9 divided by negative 1 to the power of 2 times 3 power 2. Alright. If you have square root of -1. This equals I. So taking the squares, this cancel this. So you have -1 equals I power 2. So -1 equals I power 2. You have I power 2. This is, we have I power 2 raised to the power of 2 because -1 equals I power 2. We have I power 2 raised to the power of 2 times 9 divided by 9. This equals 9 divided by I power 2 raised to the power of 2 times 9. So, you know that if you multiply this exponent, you have I power 4 times 9 divided by 9 equals 9 divided by I power 4 times 9. And this will give you positive 1. Because even if you do it from here, I power 2 is -1. So this, even if you don't want to go to -4, you just do it here. Consider this, I power 2. This is -1. So -1 to the power of 2 will give you 1. So I power 4 equals 1. You have 1 times 9 divided by 9 equals 9 divided by 1 times 9. So from here, 1 times 9 is 9. You have 9 divided by 9 equals 9 divided by 9. And this cancel this cancel this. So this also has satisfied the equation. So all the solutions are satisfied the equation, and that brings us to the end of the video. So don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and see you again.